Welcome to YXLON booth here at Productronica, joined by the new Global Sales Director,
Yes.
Keith Bryant.
Close enough.
Good enough. Good to see you, Keith.
It's good to be here, Trevor.
All right. So it's been a fabulously busy booth all day, and there's a good reason for it, because you've launched a new series of machines, basically, called under the Evolution banner. Can you explain very briefly to our viewers what Evolution is?
Okay, Evolution in our context is a range of machines that is a move on from where we are. It's not a revolution in that it's not a completely new system, but it's a very big development, it's a very big step forward. We're keeping the Cheetah and the Cougar names, but effectively here on Tuesday morning we launched a range of 6 machines, almost Freudian slip there. 3 Cougars, 3 Cheetahs, and each one is for a specific market sector. Right. So they're not built to a price point, they're not built to a arbitrary image measurement point. They're actually built to be the best in class for each one of those application areas.
Okay, so when you say market sector, you're saying like there's one for automotive, one for consumer goods, or how have you defined that?
We haven't split it down quite that far because we've only got 3 machines in each range. But we've gone for a semiconductor machine, an SMT machine, and a machine that we call the Plus, which is a failure analysis laboratory type machine. So the semi machine is really good, low power, low kV, all the imaging that you need when you're working at wafer level, component level. But if you put an IGBT with a 6mm thick copper heatsink in that machine, it's not going to give you the best in class image because it's not designed to do it. But if you put that same product into the SMT machine, it will give you the best in class image because the whole machine has been built, let's say fine-tuned, because we all know that detectors have got a multitude of settings. Most people have to set a compromise so that the machine will make reasonable pictures at both ends of the spectrum, but we've actually set the machine so that it works in that application sector best. And the only one which is slightly different is the Plus, which comes complete with a very high range CT, highest level CT PC that we can put in it, and it does the fastest CT reconstruction, because in a failure analysis lab, that's the key thing, is to be able to do CT quickly and be able to see the faults when you do it.
Exactly. So 3 very distinct groups there, and that's across the Cheetah range and across the Cougar range.
Yep.
Okay. And what's the differences between both ranges are?
Well, the Cougar is a small footprint machine. Yep. So if you've got 1.1 meter by 1.1 meter on your floor, you can put a Cougar there. Obviously the board size is smaller because the machine is correspondingly smaller. And if you've got more space and a larger budget, then the Cheetah is the machine for you, but you need to choose the machine for your application set.
Absolutely. Okay. So they've just been launched here at the show. Are they available yet, or are they? Have you just launched this concept?
Oh, we're happy to take orders as soon as people want to order them. Obviously, we're phasing out the current machine and phasing in the new one, which always happens. But we have a complete set of, let's say, the background stuff that goes on behind the product. So we have brochures, we have price lists, spec sheets, we have everything that we need to make it the product that we have going forwards.
Okay. Well, we've certainly we covered your event just before Productronica, so we've got lots of footage that viewers can look at to see more about these machines, or of course they can visit them on the YXLON website.
Yep. And also hopefully they can see the videos on your site as well, Trevor.
Yes, of course they will. Okay. Keith, thank you for joining us today.
Always a pleasure, Trevor.
Okay.